Hello students. Now we will understand about shelter belts. Okay, shelter belts means on the specific land area, trees are planted in a row. Okay, and its main purpose is to checking the wind. Okay, checking means what? Preventing the wind movement to protect the soil. Okay, means wind is blowing fastly there, but it is means these trees are protecting, and in this way soil is not degrading here. Okay, and it is binding the soil. Okay, so that is called shelter belts. Okay, next is rock dam. Okay, so on the land surfaces, dams are made up with the small pieces of rocks. Okay, small pieces of rocks are kept there, and in this way, during the rainy season, the uh, water is um, lashing on with the rocks, and then um, soil is tied with these rocks, and it is protected by the this rock dam. Okay, means water is going flowing there. Okay, and only water is going, and with the making of this dam, um, water is evaporated or going out, but soil is not going, and it is protected. Okay, so in this way, soil is gathered near the borders. So all these measures are adopted uh, uh, to conserve the soil. Okay, means it is the conservation methods. Our next topic is water. Water. Okay, so water is the vital renewable natural resource, and three-fourths of Earth's surface is covered with water, and it is therefore appropriately called a water planet. You have read in previous classes, and life began almost 3.5 years ago on the Earth. Okay, and as you know that on Earth only one-fourth area is land, and rest of three-fourth is covered with water. That is the reason it is called water planet. Okay, so you will be amazed to know that it is covered with three-fourth of the Earth's surface. Okay, but only 2.7% water is drinkable. Okay, means only 2.7% water can be used. Okay, and out of 2.7, 70% water is in the form of ice sheets and glacier. Okay, so it is very tough thing to understand, and also Greenland, mountain regions, and uh, due to other usable resources, uh, water is continuously ending. Okay, means especially human being is using water. Okay, and so that now only 1% water is left for drinking, and it is scientists have said that out of 1%, only 0.5% water is left under the ground. Okay, and that will be fit for the human use. Okay, so that we must start the conservation of water also, because water is very valuable resource, and if in the atmosphere it will be ended, so human being's life is not possible, or you can say human life is not possible. Okay, so water is most precious substance on the earth. As you know that plant, animals, and human being is dependent upon water. So its total volume remains constant. Okay, if if we are using in a good way, so this water can be used. Okay, so water can neither be added or nor subtracted. Okay, so uh, we are we are looking that uh, means the water is coming when it is raining. Okay, and groundwater or the ocean water is evaporating and going into sky, and then from the clouds it is raining, and it is falling on the earth, and then suppose that it is water. Okay, and evaporation is done. Evaporation is done, and this water is going in clouds. Okay, okay, so this water is going in the cloud, and then it is falling on the earth. Okay, and it is falling on the earth surface, and then it is some water is used and some water is on the earth surface in the lakes and rivers. Okay, and then it is again mixing into ocean. Okay, so suppose that it is ocean, so evaporation is done, and then it is going into sky, and then it is falling. Okay, so this is in a circular process. That is the reason it is called water cycle. Okay, so the processes of evaporation, precipitation, and runoff. Okay, so this is coming in a circular process, and so that it is called water cycle. Okay, so we must understand it that for human use water is very essential thing, so that its conservation is needed. Okay, so humans use amounts of water not only for drinking, washing, but also in the process of production. Okay, so water is also used for agriculture, industry, generating electricity. Okay, so what are the uses? You must remember that for so uses of water. Okay, first is for farming, means for irrigation purpose. Second is for industry. Industries. Third is for generating electricity. Okay, and fourth is use. Human use means for drinking, washing. Okay, So these are the common uses of water.